In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion Calendar into your Notion setup. If you want a simple way to add scheduling right alongside your notes, tasks, and project docs, this will take just a moment and fit naturally into the pages you already use. Start by opening the Notion page where you want your calendar to live. Click anywhere in the body of the page and type /calendar. You'll see the option appear, and when you select it, Notion will drop a calendar block directly into your page. That's it. No separate app or complicated setup. If you're adding it to an existing page, the calendar simply becomes part of that page, just like any other block. You can keep your meeting notes above it, your task list below it, or place it between sections. It blends in, so everything stays connected in one convenient spot. The best part is that this calendar is fully interactive. Hover your mouse over any date, and a small plus icon appears in the top corner of that day. Click the plus, and Notion creates a new entry on that date. That entry opens as a standard Notion page, so you can give it a clear title and add all the details you need. Write notes for a meeting, paste in relevant links, or reference other pages you've already made. Because each calendar item is a full page, you can build it out just like any other page in your workspace. Add checklists, embed files, or include context so you never have to hunt for information later. This approach makes planning feel seamless. Keep your content and your schedule in the same place, and let the calendar act as a visual layer on top of your notes. If you're tracking deadlines, hovering and using the plus icon gives you a fast way to capture an idea on the exact day it belongs. If you're organizing events, you can open any calendar entry at any time and continue adding links, notes, and related pages as things evolve. A tip for staying organized: give each calendar entry a descriptive title so you can spot it quickly, and keep your keynotes inside the entry so everything is easy to find. Since the calendar sits within your page, you can move it around like any other block to match your workflow. And there you go. Type /calendar to add it, integrate it into your existing notes, and hover over a date to click the plus icon and add links, notes, and pages. That's all.